Question 54. The table below shows data from the 1990 U.S. Census and describes the highest level of education attained and the percent of adults 25% or older who presumably achieved that level of education. So if this information were presented as a circle graph, what would be the measure of the central angle of the sector representing those for whom the highest level of education attained is a high school diploma? Okay, so we're looking here. Whoop. High school diploma, and that's 30%. Okay, so there are two ways that you can do this. High school diplomas represent 30% of the whole, right? So if we were doing this in a circle graph, well, we know that the total number of degrees here is 360. So we can take 30% of 360. So that will be 0.3 times 360, and that gives us 108. Or we can set up a proportion. If we know that it's 30 adults out of every 100, then if this is the part and if this top here is the part and this is the whole, if we're looking at this in terms of degrees instead, we're trying to find this part here, and that'll be x over, and then the whole will be 360. And when we cross multiply and divide, we see we end up doing exactly the same computation. We do 360 times 30 over 100, which will also get us 108 degrees. So we'll go with G, 108.